Hi kids, I'm so glad you came by today as well. Now we can learn more magic that each letter holds inside. Okay, let's begin and see if you can remember the remaining letters. We did letters A to M with their sounds in the previous video. This video will be about letters N to Z and their sounds. So let's enjoy the magic. Alright, the letter that comes after M is N. N. On the left we have capital letters and on the right we have small letters. The sound of N is N. N. Nose. Nose. Noodles. Noodles. Then we have is O. O, and the sound of O is O. O. O octopus. O octopus. O ostrich. O ostrich. The next letter is P. P. The sound of P is P. P. P pencil. P pencil. P piano. P piano. Next is Q. Q. Sound of Q is Qu. Qu. Qu queen. Qu queen. Qu quiet. Shh. Qu quiet. Can you guess the next letter? Well done. It's R. R. The sound of R is R. R. R rabbit. R rabbit. R rocket. R rocket. Then we have is S. S. Sound of S is S. S. Snake. Snake. Spider. Spider. Can you tell me what comes after S? Good job. It's T. T. The sound of T is T. T. To train. To train. To telephone. To telephone. Next is U. U. Sound of U is A. A. A umbrella. A umbrella. A up. A up. The next letter is V. V. Sound of V is V. V. V violin. V violin. V volcano. V volcano. Next is W. W. The sound of W is W. W. W watch. W watch. W window. W window. The next letter is X. X. Sound of X is X. X. Fox. Fox. Box. Box. What comes after X? Yes, it's Y. Y. Sound of Y is Y. Y. Y yo-yo. Y yo-yo. Y yummy. Y yummy. That cone is yummy. The last letter of the alphabet is Z. Z. Sound of Z is Z. Z. The zebra. Zebra. Zipper. Zipper. Oh wow! We have completed all our remaining letters today. Thanks for coming by and learn with me. It was so much fun to learn about the magic of how each letter can make a sound. We'll be back with more videos. Dear parents, don't forget to comment down below. Log on to supersimplelearning.com to get these free flashcards. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.